I'd done a previous video about the largest employment sectors in Philadelphia, but I forgot to mention that though it's not among the largest, a very significant employment sector is the life sciences, which would include things like biotechnology, things like gene and cell therapy, uh, also pharmaceuticals. So Philadelphia has long been a big pharmaceutical industry city, but even though it's not the larger percentage of the workforce. And Recently, according to a real estate agency, um, Philadelphia is the fourth best market for the life sciences, behind Boston, San Francisco, and San Diego. In terms of how much venture capital investment there is, NIH, as in the National Institute of Health Investment, in terms of demand for more real estate demand for real estate for the life sciences, and the amount of workers that are available for the for life sciences, and those who graduate with a degree in that field. Philadelphia ranks number 4 overall. And in cell and gene therapy, it is ranked 2, only behind Boston. And The biotech industry is a growing sector in Philadelphia. So, which all makes sense because that healthcare is the largest employment sector, and followed by, the healthcare and social services sector is followed by education as the most common like non-government sector in Philadelphia. So it would make sense for the life sciences to be a significant employment sector in Philadelphia. And of course, this area would produce or have many high paying jobs, but despite that, Philadelphia is still among the top like 10, 12 largest cities, has the highest poverty rate and lowest median income. I think there are efforts to train and hire locally, and I hope that that helps with increasing the overall quality of life of Philadelphians, and decrease our poverty rate, and raise our median income. The whole reason that I wanted to talk about like the industry sectors is that I think when you talk about the culture of a city, uh, um, except like outside of like what food is here. So when you talk about the culture of a city, you're talking about the people who live and work there, and people that live there often end up there because of the work they do. That's why people come to this. That's why people would want to live near or in a city, is proximity to jobs. So that's the whole point in me talking about the different industry sectors of Philadelphia, because that tells you what makes up who makes up the city of Philadelphia, and how they influence the culture, and what makes Philly Philly.